Exercise balls have been around for a long time, but not everyone is a believer. After all, how can a big round ball be safe for sitting on or using as an exercise tool that'll help maintain your balance and support your weight? Or maybe you are like me, and every time you see one, you want to let your inner child try to kick the giant ball over the roof of your house. Before we get started with our video detailing the best exercise balls on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off with the best overall exercise ball, we have the TheraBand Exercise and Stability Ball. One common complaint among exercise ball fans is the inability of the ball to hold air over time. As air ekes out of the ball, it loses its firmness and becomes difficult to use. Luckily, the TheraBand Exercise and Stability Ball is one of the thickest walled balls you can buy, and it holds air longer than most of the competition. Even if it is punctured, the ball will deflate very slowly, allowing you to finish your exercise session. In its review, the Garage Gym Builder says this patented slow deflation technology is a great feature that ensures your safety while exercising with the ball. Because the TheraBand exercise ball retains air so well, you won't have to reinflate it that often, which is a very good thing because this ball does take quite a bit of time to inflate in the first place. In fact, one Amazon buyer says the TheraBall is difficult to inflate properly. The ability of this exercise ball to hold air well and maintain its shape gives it a firm feeling that other exercise balls cannot match, according to one Amazon reviewer, and many other reviewers agree. The TheraBand ball has just the right type of surface for gripability, says the Wirecutter, because it isn't too slippery or sticky. Gym Gear Info also likes the durability of the TheraBand Exercise and Stability Ball, which is also latex and phthalate free. The exercise ball is available in 4 sizes, from 45 to 75 centimeters, and it comes in a few colors. Next up, we have the best portable exercise ball, which goes to the DynaPro Exercise Ball. When you're looking for an exercise ball that you can take with you anywhere, the DynaPro Exercise Ball is a good idea. It ships with a hand pump and inflates faster than many other balls, so you can be ready to use it within several minutes. The ball is available in 4 sizes, ranging from 45 to 75 centimeters, and it features slight ribs around the circumference of the ball to ensure a steady grip. You can get it in a few fun colors, including pink, blue, silver, gray, and black. In its review, Thoroughly Reviewed says the DynaPro ball is great for gym goers because you can quickly inflate it anywhere with the included pump. Like many exercise balls, you can also use it for active seating in your office. One Amazon buyer says the DynaPro exercise ball is a perfect option for using as a substitute for a desk chair because unlike most exercise balls, it's available in gray or black, which fits in better with an office setting than a brightly colored ball. This is a tough, durable exercise ball too. The Garage Gym Builder points out that it has a 2,000-pound burst rating. The ball will also slowly deflate if it ever suffers a puncture, allowing you to finish your workout safely. Many reviewers even favorably compare the DynaPro to the high-quality exercise balls you'd find at an athletic club. However, the ball cannot be inflated fully the first time you use it. You'll have to inflate it fully after it's had 2 to 3 days to stretch out. Additionally, a few Amazon reviewers say the DynaPro ball is not as firm as it should be to provide the proper support for exercising. Up next, we have the best tough exercise ball, which goes to the Live Infinitely Exercise Ball. We don't expect anyone to routinely put 2,200 pounds of pressure on the Live Infinitely Exercise Ball, but if you do, you can feel comfortable that this tough exercise ball can stand up to the pressure. If you're looking for a tough exercise ball that's also really large, the Live Infinitely model is one of the few that comes in 5 sizes, ranging from 55 to 95 centimeters. You can also choose between 5 colors: blue, green, gray, purple, and silver. In its review, RunnerClick liked the durability and high burst weight rating of the Live Infinitely ball, even though it carries only an average price point. This ball stands up well to rough workouts, according to one Amazon reviewer, and performs well under stress. The ball ships with a detailed exercise ebook, which Empower Moms says is a great feature for helping you learn to use the ball properly. The Life Vest also likes all the online tools you gain access to when you buy the Live Infinitely ball, as well as the high-quality materials used in the construction of this ball. As for downsides, a few Amazon reviewers say fully inflating the Live Infinitely exercise ball is extremely difficult. Next, we have the best stable exercise ball, which goes to the UR Superior Fitness Exercise and Stability Ball. As we mentioned earlier, if you're someone who can't wrap his or her head around the idea of a round ball providing the stability required for exercising or for sitting at a desk, the UR Superior Fitness Exercise and Stability Ball was made with you in mind because it comes with a stability ring. When the ball is placed in the ring, it will not roll easily, providing a better level of stability for you than a round ball would alone. For those interested in using exercise balls with yoga or Pilates, the Garage Gym Builder says the ball delivers excellent stability because of the included ring. You can also remove the ball from the stability ring and use it alone. The stability ring makes this product a perfect option to use in place of an office chair, according to one Amazon buyer. The ball's exterior is not sticky, yet it provides a good grip, making it very stable with or without the ring. The UR Superior ball also comes with resistance bands that attach to the stability ring, so you can perform a host of exercises with this ball. However, several Amazon reviewers say they could not fully inflate the ball, and it won't fit in the ring unless it's fully inflated. This exercise ball comes in just one size, with a 65cm diameter, and it's only available in gray. And for our last pick, we have the best budget exercise ball, which goes to the Wacces Fitness and Exercise Ball. With some low-priced exercise balls, you may feel leery about placing your full weight on them for fear of an exploding ball that leaves you crashing onto the floor. But the durability of the Wacces Fitness and Exercise Ball gives you the peace of mind you'll need to use this inexpensive ball to its fullest. Even though it's less expensive than the other options, this ball is still quite durable and has a good grippy surface. The biggest downside is that it doesn't support as much weight as the more high-end exercise balls. Most buyers really like this exercise ball for its affordable price and say it works quite well. One Amazon reviewer says the ball stands up to constant use for exercise and for sitting at a desk. In its review, Jim Ventures says it's a good durable ball, but it does need to be reinflated more often than others. However, a few Amazon reviewers say it's extremely difficult to fully inflate it initially. You can pick between 3 different size ratings, ranging from 55 to 75 centimeters. It's also available in 8 colors, including black, blue, gray, green, pink, purple, red, or yellow. So that sums up our top exercise balls of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.